Hey everyone, it's Kara. So today I have the Jack Skellington warmer to show you from Scentsy. I just got this in the mail yesterday. I've already unboxed it and it's really cool looking. Also, if you're wondering what this thing is back here, we adopted a dog on Tuesday, so I put him away so I could film. So if you hear him moving around, he just laid back down. But that's him back there. His name is Scooby. I might show him in a video later, but this is going to be the Jack Skellington warmer. Also from Scentsy, my sister and I really love the Jack's Obsession Scentsy bar that goes with the Jack Skellington warmer. So I ordered more of that. So I ordered 10 of them. So here's 5. And the other 5. And if you watched my other video, I would have showed this already, but if you haven't, I'll show it again. So this is the bar that goes with the Jack Skellington warmer. It's called Jack's Obsession. It's like this light kind of like ghoulish green, kind of like I guess like in Ghostbusters or something. I don't know. I've never really seen Ghostbusters all the way through, but like the green, like yellow green color that's like in every like horror movie for ghosts. That's kind of what this looks like. It smells really, really good. My sister and I both love it. He's whining. It says, this cauldron full of apple spice with clove and cinnamon makes for a ghoulishly grand brew. So it's very like fall themed. This smells so good. If you need this bar, if you love fall, you definitely need this bar. It's still available on the Scentsy website, I believe. At least it was a couple days ago when I ordered this, so you definitely need to get it. So I'm very excited to show this. Alright. I plugged it in so I can show you what it's like plugged up. So this is the Jack Skellington warmer. So we got the bats. Kind of looks like the top of like a gate to like a graveyard. There's Jack with the pumpkin. There's another gate. On the back is Zero. Just his dog. And normally Zero has a red nose, but obviously on this warmer you can't show that. There's like a house. Oh, that's his dog house, and it says Zero. It says Scentsy right there. And then this side is the same. It's got this like cracks in it. And then you put the wax in here. So it's this little orange dish, and it says the Pumpkin King. How cool is this? So, turn it on. So this is what it looks like turned on. It looks a lot better in person than on the camera. And the orange kind of glows. And I did see this at the Scentsy family reunion in August. And you can't see Zero right here, but when it's set up, or like when you have it like displayed properly, like up, Zero will reflect on the wall. So that's really cool. It's kind of like reflecting on my face. Like I said, it's kind of hard to see this when the light's turned on and I'm looking at a camera. But Zero does reflect on the wall. Like his shadow will reflect. So let me turn that off. I'm very like cautious with this warmer because I'm obviously on the desk and I just got it and I don't want it to break because I can't buy it again. This warmer is a very popular warmer. It was the best-selling warmer in Scentsy history. It sold out in 30 minutes, and that was including the initial order and 2 additional back orders. Also, while I was at Scentsy Family Reunion, I was with a friend, and she knows like one of the marketing people at Scentsy, and he said that Tim Burton actually had to approve this warmer, which is really cool. We can't publicize that, but I actually did hear that from a Scentsy person that he did have to approve this warmer. like he's seen it and he actually did have to approve it. So that's really cool that somebody like famous and like Hollywood actually had to approve this. This is like I said, this is a very popular warmer. I hate that you can't buy it. I think they put it in the vault, which means that it could come back out later, but it probably will not be this year, because I know that the back orders that they got from this warmer are like still shipping out, and probably won't. Most of those people probably won't get theirs until like the rest of this year into 2020. So that's pretty crazy. I was one of the lucky people who got their orders placed pretty early on the day that it launched, so I got my order pretty quickly. Mine only took about, let's see, today's the 13th, and I got 12. Mine took about 11 days to ship, so that's pretty good. It came out on the 1st, and I got mine yesterday, which was the 12th. So that's actually pretty good, because the way they did it for this warmer is they had certain timestamps, and whatever timestamp that you had when you placed your warmer depends on when your warmer will ship out. So like I said, I was one of the early people who got their warmers pretty quickly. But this is the Jack Skellington warmer. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. Like I said before, I watch it pretty much every year, if not twice a year. Usually Halloween and Christmas. I know it's not really a Christmas movie, but since it's kind of like Halloween and Christmas, I usually do both. But if you're one of the few people who actually got this warmer, you're pretty lucky. Because I know on eBay I've heard that they're selling this warmer for like $600, which is absolutely insane to me. I would never pay that much for this warmer. But I think this warmer is so cool, and I love Disney, and like I said, I love Nightmare Before Christmas, so that's actually one of the reasons I look forward to Halloween, is because I can watch Nightmare Before Christmas. So, and also this is kind of like Halloween decor, so I'll probably leave this out until the end of October. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of seeing this beautiful warmer, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.